Hey everyone, today we're tackling trouble code P2249 OBD-II sensor reference voltage circuit high. If you scanned your vehicle and found this code, don't worry. I'll walk you through what it means, the symptoms, causes, and most importantly, how to fix it. Let's get started. P2249 indicates that the reference voltage circuit for the oxygen sensor is reading too high. This means the sensor might not be getting the correct voltage, causing inaccurate air-fuel mixture readings. If left unchecked, it can lead to poor fuel economy and increased emissions. Check engine light is on. Decreased fuel efficiency. Rough idling or hesitation during acceleration. Increased emissions. OBD-II scanner. Multimeter, basic hand tool socket set, wrench. Replacement oxygen sensor if necessary. Safety gear, gloves, and safety glasses. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 2 is on the side with the cylinder number 1. Sensor number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually, check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. Once the new sensor is installed, clear the code using your OBD-II scanner and start the engine. Monitor the scanner to ensure the P2249 code doesn't return. Also, take the car for a test drive to confirm everything's running smoothly. And that's it. Fixing a P2249 code is straightforward with the right tools and a little patience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY auto repair guides. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.